It's Garden Guide question and answer time now, and I wanted to share a viewer photo that's really unique. I mean, check out this great setup from Frank, who asks if plant lights can actually encourage cuttings to root faster. Well, the roots themselves aren't photosynthetic, so they're not going to recognize the extra light, but the leaves on top do, and that will actually help this plant produce cuttings, produce roots a little bit easier. I'm sorry. It's Garden Guide question and answer time, and I wanted to share a really cool setup from Frank. You see the grow lights here, and he wants to know, do lights encourage cuttings to root faster? So something you need to know is that roots themselves aren't photosynthetic, so that means they're not going to recognize the extra light, but the leaves on top of those cuttings will continue to absorb light and produce energy, so grow lights actually can help. But here's the key, they like bright light, they don't like full sunshine, because that will actually lead to the plant drying out. When they don't have roots, plants aren't able to draw any nutrients or really any major water. So it's definitely important to make sure that when you're rooting cuttings, they're in bright light from a grow light and not necessarily full sunlight. Inside the house, that's usually not an issue this time of the year because the sun is so limited outside. Now, if you have a plant problem that you want to share, just head on over to our website and upload your photos. I'll answer your questions here and give you a shout out live on News 12. And you can also find me on social media. Happy gardening.